She rubs baking soda on her feet 2 times per week. The result is stunning. Baking soda is an incredibly versatile ingredient, which can be used as a cleaning product, a culinary ingredient, and a natural medicine. It is affordable, effective, and easy to use. Therefore, you can replace commercial products with this simple ingredient and avoid the negative effects of harmful chemicals. Here are several uses of sodium bicarbonate. Clean and relax your feet. Soak your feet in some water with 3 tablespoons of baking soda. For improved effects, massage them gently. Do that twice weekly and you will notice some great results. You can also add some baking soda to your bath to energize and relax the entire body. Heartburn and stomach problems. Sodium bicarbonate is a powerful antacid, so if you add 2 teaspoons to a glass of cold water and drink it, you will immediately relieve heartburn and stomach issues. Make toothpaste. Mix baking soda with a 3% hydrogen peroxide solution. Use the resulting paste as an alternative to commercial non-fluoride products. To make a peppermint toothpaste, simply add peppermint essential oil. Soothe sunburns. Add half a cup of baking soda to your bath and soak in the lukewarm water for about half an hour. For better effects, do not use a towel, but air dry the body. Soothe Bee Stings. Data pilot from Weather Underground reports that it is beneficial in the case of wasp and bee stings, as its alkaline qualities fight off the formic acid present in the wound, and eliminate the foreign pollutant. For best effects, remove the stinger, and apply a mixture of water and baking soda on the affected area. A shampoo boost. Add some baking soda to your regular shampoo to boost its cleaning properties and make the hair shinier. If your hair is too greasy, soak the combs and brushes in a mixture of baking soda and water, and comb it to degrease it. Then, wash it off. Hand wash dishes, pots and pans. Mix 2 tablespoons baking soda along with your regular dish detergent to the dish water to help cut grease and foods left on dishes, pots and pans. Alleviate splinters. According to Dr. Mercola, the combination of baking soda and water can treat skin issues such as splinters.